Introduce myself. My name is Suryana alias Maryani. I'm from Management Class 22 NPM 184111012. I will present here about industrial and organizational psychology job analysis. What is job analysis? Job analysis is a systematic activity in reviewing a job by determining the duties, obligations, and responsibility of a job, the knowledge, abilities and skills needed to do the job in an organization. Gathering and analyzing information. Work an employee performs, condition under which work is performed, worker characteristic needed. Importance of job analysis. Provides information. Weighting job description. Employee selection. Training. Manpower planning. Performance appraisal. Job classification. Job evaluation. Job design. Compliance with legal guidelines. Organizational analysis. Written job desk. Written results of job analysis, which contains information about what work is done and the human characteristic needed to do that work. A brief, 2 to 5 paragraph, which contains the position, job objectives, job duties and responsibilities, required qualifications, preferred qualifications, and working conditions. Summary of task and requirements, information about the duties and responsibilities that will be carried out by employees in certain positions briefly. Employee selection. Understanding of tasks to be performed and competencies needed, abilities that are required, abilities needed to do or to carry out work that is based on knowledge, skill and work attitude. Possible to select test interview to determine particular applicant possesses the KSA. Competency assessments involve measuring specific abilities and skill that are relevant to the job applied for. Training. Requirements of the job are known, ready to do anything. List of job activities used to create training programs. Manpower planning. Determine worker mobility within org. Promotes best employee from the most similar job. Performance appraisal. Construction of performance appraisal instrument. Employee selection, employee evolution job related. Job classification. Enables a HR professional classify groups based on similarities in job requirements. Useful for determine pay level, transfer and promotio. Job evaluation. Determine the optimal way to perform the job. Compliance to legal guideline. Organizational analysis. Analysis become aware of org. Problem. Used to correct problems and help org. Functions better. Written job description. Short summary of job, 2 to 5 pages. Must describe a job in enough and detail that decision about activities, such as selection and training can be made. IO psychology detailed and lengthy. Professionals listing and detailed can be limits ability to direct employees to perform tasks not listed in JA. Problem solving, can always added job desk, update in regular basis, perform other job related duties assigned. Job description section. Job title. Job competencies. Compensation info. Work performance. Job context. Tools and equipment used. Work activities. Brief summary. Preparing job analysis. Who will conduct the analysis consultant, collage interns. How often should a job desk be updated? If a job changes significantly, or there's job crafting. Which employees should be participate? Depends on job analysis committee-based or field-based. Commit-based subject matters, expert, meet to generate task performed, condition, KSAOs needed. 4 to 30 expert depends on session. Field-based job analysis individually interview observed a number of incumbents out of the field. Particular employees, gender, race, job performance level, experience, job enjoyment, personality. What types of the info should be obtained? Level of specificity, formal and informal requirements. Conducting a job analysis. Identify task performed. Gathering existing info. Interview subject matter expert, SME. Job participation. Write task statements. One action should be done to one project. Written at a level can be read and understood by a person. Include tools and equipments needed. Not be competencies. Not be a policy. Make sense by itself. Level of authority should be indicate. Rate task statements. Task analysis - frequency and the importance or critically of the task being performed. Determine essential KSAOs. Nalagda. Skill. Ability. Other characteristics, personality, willingness, interest. Selecting test to tap KSAOs. Determine the best methods to tap the KSAOs needed at time of hire. Used to select new employees in call such methods - interviews, work sample, ability test, personality test, reference check, integrity test, biodata, assessment center. What is job evaluation? Evaluation is a mechanism for providing feedback and documentation regarding employee performance within a certain period of time, and can provide clear communication regarding job expectations and goals. The process of determining the monetary worth of job. Determining internal pay equity. Determining compensable job factors. Responsibility. Education requirements. Mental and physical demands. Training and experience requirements. Working condition. Determining the level for each compensable factor. Education. Responsibility. Determining the factor weight. A job evaluation commit determines the total number of points that be distributed among the factors. Each factors is weighted by assigning a number of points. The number of points assigned to a factor is then divided into each level. The total number of points for job is compared with the salary currently being paid for the job - graphed in wage trend line. Determining external pay equity. Salary survey - questionnaire sent to orgs to see how much they paying employees in similar position. Comparable worth - the idea that jobs requiring the same level of skill and responsibility should be paid the same regardless of supply and demand. Within the field of industrial and organizational psychology, PIO, job analysis aims to understand and optimize the relationship between individuals and their jobs. Here are some of the main objectives of job analysis in a broader context. Recruitment and selection. Job analysis helps in identifying the skills, knowledge, and competencies required to perform a job effectively. This information is used to design more accurate recruitment processes, such as the creation of job descriptions and candidate specifications. Training and development. By knowing the specific tasks and competencies required in the job, organizations can design appropriate training programs to develop relevant skills for employees. Performance evaluation. Job analysis provides a basis for measuring employee performance by setting objective performance standards according to the demands of the job. This helps in fair evaluation and provides constructive feedback to the employee. Career planning. With a deep understanding of the various roles in the organization, job analysis helps employees and management in planning career development as well as promotion paths based on skills and competencies. Job redesign. Job analysis can be used to identify changes needed to improve efficiency, employee well-being, or adapt to new technologies. This includes adjustments to responsibilities, tools, or work structures. Compensation and rewards. By analyzing the responsibilities and difficulty of a job, organizations can establish a fairer salary structure based on an objective evaluation of the value of a job. Occupational safety and health. Job analysis helps identify possible risks in a job and enables the development of preventive measures to improve occupational safety and health. Adjustment to changing work environments. As technology, regulations, or market dynamics change, job analysis can help organizations adjust to these changes, either by modifying existing roles or creating new positions. By conducting a job analysis, organizations can create a more productive, effective, and prosperous work environment for employees and be more competitive in the marketplace.